Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to share 5 hidden features or tips and tricks of the new Samsung Galaxy M23. So for that, let's dive into the video. The first hidden feature is the Edge panel. Yes, you can activate Edge panel on your Galaxy M23. For that, first go to settings and here go to display. Scroll down and here you will see the option of Edge panel. Just turn it on. Now go to home and on right side you will see that Edge panel. Drag it out and here you will see the shortcuts. Go to its settings. Here you can select weather, clipboard and smart select. By the way, with smart select you can easily take screenshots. Next hidden feature is the dual messenger. Yes, you can sign in to a second account in your favorite social apps. For that, go to settings, scroll down and now go to advanced features. Here the second last option you will see is dual messenger. Just open it and now here you can select your favorite application and can turn on dual messenger, so you can use 2 accounts on one phone. Next hidden feature is the side key. By pressing the power key twice, you can open your favorite application. Like by default, camera is set. To change it, go to settings, scroll down and go to advanced features. Now go to second option, which is side key. Now make sure to turn it on and here go to open application. Now here you can select your favorite application, like I am going to select Chrome. Let's try now. And here you can see by pressing the power key twice, phone is opening the Chrome. You can also take screenshot by pressing the volume down key and the power key at same time. Just give quick press and leave the keys. Phone will take screenshot. And next hidden feature is swipe right to call or swipe left to message. Yes, by this shortcut you can swipe on any contact to left or right to make phone call or message. So these were the 5 hidden features or tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy M23. If you found this video helpful, then please like it and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.